Hello everyone, Peter again from Skating Magic, and in today's video we are gonna demonstrate how to do the soul slide. You are almost always sliding in inline skating. You're stopping, you're sliding, you're doing all little things that make life way better than it would be without inline skating. We are gonna show you how to do the mighty powerful soul slide. You know, you have a soul, so you do soul slide. We're going to show you how to stop going downhill using this mighty powerful technique, the soul slide. Welcome. I have a little favor to ask of you today. Please subscribe to this channel so that you're never gonna miss out on any video that we're gonna be publishing in the future. And we're gonna be publishing a video every Monday over the next every 2 weeks. So please subscribe. Thank you. The soul slide is one of the quickest ways to stop on inline skates without brakes. The power stop may be a faster stopping method, but many skaters seem to really like the soul slide. Before skating, wear protective gear. Wear a certified skate helmet. We recommend the 888 Gotham or the S1 Lifer helmet, but they are not the only ones. Also wear good knee pads and properly fitting wrist guards. 888, 187 Killer and Protect are brands many skaters like. The soul slide is an unnatural stance. Your hip needs to be quite flexible and you need tons of strength to complete the slide successfully. Don't freak out if your hips hurt a little afterward. The soul slide isn't too hard once you learn its mechanics and practice correctly and consistently. Prerequisites for learning the soul slide. Before you can learn the soul slide, master the 1-foot glide and get your balance to a really comfortable place. Nearly all stopping methods on inline skates need you to be able to skate on 1 foot. Also, you should be able to shift your weight to different positions without falling over. Honestly, the soul slide is an intermediate level trick, not a basic level skill. Step 1. Shift your weight correctly. Bend your knees deeply, keeping your bum as near to the ground as possible. Assuming this unnatural position requires tons of strength, but it's doable. Place the bulk of your weight on the support foot and very little weight on the sliding foot. Step 2. Do a half lemon. Do a big half lemon, creating enough distance between the braking foot and the rolling foot. Specifically, this involves rolling out and then in with the braking foot while the supporting foot stays on the center edge. To perform this step right, bend really low and relax your hip muscles so that they can power the half lemon and not hinder the motion. One drill you can do when learning the soul slide is practicing half lemons. You want to do a series of half lemons in a straight line while keeping the support foot on a center edge. Step 3. Slide diagonally forward until you stop. The final step entails pointing the toe in while pointing the heel out. This move requires quite a bit of control to perform. If you push out the heel too hard, you will certainly lose control and possibly crash. Buji's been teaching me how to soul slide, and that's a mistake he noticed and helped me to correct. To initiate the slide, stick your ankle in or out depending on what feels more comfortable to you. It's a forward diagonal slide, and the sliding foot needs to be in front of the stabilizing foot. 3 mistakes people make when learning the soul slide. There are 3 mistakes that skaters make when practicing the soul slide. Mistake 1. Not bending the knee deeply enough. Mistake 2. Not bending the ankles deeply enough. Mistake 3. Maintaining too short a distance between the sliding and supporting foot. If you make these mistakes, you won't be able to keep the sliding foot at an angle of 45 degrees or more. If the angle is too steep, you won't slide and can easily trip and fall. Did you like our video on how to do the soul slide on inline skates? If you did, please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.